quick video on our tire pressure sensor machine that we bought. It's just this little guy right here, and it's just pretty much walks you right through it. You type in the vehicle. This one is a 2010 Ford Escape. You tell it that you want to do the programming. In cradle means right here. We're going to take this sensor, we're going to take to the tire shop with us. We're going to program it first in cradle to a 2010 Ford Escape. It erases whatever's in it and then reprograms the sensor to a 2010 Escape. So then when you go to the shop, have them install it. It's as easy as plug it. You can scan this next to your tire, which I'll show. And that's it. Successful. So now that's the tire sensor, in case anyone doesn't know what they look like. Goes inside the wheel. This is obviously the part you put there, and then I'll show you, once I get the tires put on and have the sensor installed, how to program it on a Ford Escape. There's a couple of steps, but this scanner right here literally tells you every one of those steps. So whatever the vehicle is, you type it in again, and then you tell it what's the relearn procedure, and then it steps you through, make sure everything's good. This, you just put it next to it, scan the tire. So it's all different, but that's pretty much it. That right there is the culprit. Little orange light. That is the one. All right, guys, we are back to part 2 of the video. We are going to now program the sensor that we had installed at a shop. We already did the programming here. We plugged it in so it recognizes the car. So now we have to learn it to the vehicle. So we go here, relearn, Ford Escape, 2009, and then it tells us the procedure. We have to follow that procedure right here. Turn the key on and off, cycle 3 times. It goes through the whole process. So we're going to do that right now. So we get in the car, we turn the key off, we hit the brake, let off, cycle 3 times, then we turn it. Press it 3 times, ending in that position, press and release the brake again, turn the ignition off, cycle 3 more times, heard the horn honk. Now this goes into train mode. So now the car's in train mode. We go back on the scanner and we go to relearn. And we're going to relearn right here, stationary with the system. So now we get out. So we're going to just hit this center button right next to the tire. You heard the horn honk. It accepted it. Now we go to the next tire. Right here, hit the button again. It accepted it. And then we hit the next tire. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now we have a new issue. Well, talk about your all-time backfire. There it is. So it didn't want to read it, as you see. It took 3 times. And we hit it again over here. Tire number 4. Everything is golden. It tells you the PSI of the tire. Battery is low. So this battery is pretty much going to die on that sensor. We didn't change that one though. Then we get back in the car. Turn the key off, pull it out, put it back in. That little orange light should be gone. And it is gone. Boom. Now sensors are all matching to this truck. And the only way that light's coming back on is if one of the sensors goes dead or you have a low tire. That's it. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if anybody has a question on this that I can help with. Thanks again.